Trumponomics is featured with prehistoric protectionism. Will American go back to produce garments? The answer is no. Because comparative advantage and competitive advantage both doesn't support garments production in America. Trump trade is making American cost of living expensive. The low-income Americans will come out to protest the Trump trade because low-income American will have to pay additional 37% on made in Bangladesh products. As Bangladesh is enjoying comparative and competitive advantage on apparel production, Bangladeshi apparel industry will not face any problem for Trump trade, as production cost will remain same. So our production cost is not going to increase. Rather, Chinese orders, Vietnamese orders, Cambodian orders, Sri Lankan orders are coming to Bangladesh because this apparel producers tariff is much higher than Bangladesh tariff. Trump economics is beyond any established theory of demand and supply. Trump economics will increase income inequality in the American side. Trump economics is deactivating the WTO trading system. Trump economics is heading towards a global economic crisis.